Nestled in the prestigious golf and lakefront community of Wind River, this Highlands model residence is set in a neighborhood of cottages inspired by the English country style. Welcome to 110 Highlands Drive. Your dream retreat awaits. Let's explore this stunning home together. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a stunning open-concept kitchen, complete with a generous central island, sleek modern appliances, and ample storage for all your culinary needs. Just beyond, discover a convenient home office and a spacious walk-in pantry. This thoughtfully designed floor plan flows effortlessly, guiding you from the kitchen into the beautifully appointed dining area. Then straight into the sunlit living room where natural light dances across the space and a cozy gas fireplace sets the perfect ambiance. Tucked privately on the main level, the luxurious master suite offers serene relaxation with direct access to the screened porch. The spa-like master bath boasts dual vanities, a deep soaking tub, shower, and an expansive walk-in closet. Rounding out the main level, you'll find a well-appointed laundry room and this spacious, functional garage. Now, let's head upstairs. Here, the first of two spacious guest bedrooms awaits, each offering generous space and their own walk-in closets. They share this elegant full bathroom, perfect for family or guests. Need a quiet retreat? A cozy sleeping loft provides the ideal spot for afternoon naps. And for movie nights or game days, this inviting media room offers endless possibilities for entertainment. Finally, step outside to your own private oasis, a lush backyard and a spacious screened porch, perfect for relaxing or hosting gatherings in the fresh air. This is more than a home, it's a lifestyle. Wind River's beautiful amenities create a perfect place for those wanting an active lifestyle, from their state-of-the-art marina and championship golf course to wellness facilities and on-site dining. At 110 East Highlands Drive, your Wind River paradise awaits.